Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can convert Roblox credit to Robux. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Roblox application. So after that, you need to log in into your Roblox account. So click here. So here you can see that currently I have 0 Robux balance. So how you can add that? So you simply need to open any browser. So for this video, I'm going to use Google Chrome. You can use any browser. And here you need to search for roblox.com/redeem. Okay. And here you need to log in into your account. And after that, you need to enter the code and click on redeem. So once you've done that, your Roblox credit will be converted into Robux. And you can see your balance by opening Roblox and click here, and you can see your Robux balance here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.